Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from BBS Mica Build in KZN.
We had always one Mica here in the Lifestyle Centre, and it's been in Ballito for about 20 years. And the opportunity came to open a second store here in Ballito, and we decided let's go for it. So we took the opportunity, and with the second store it offers us the opportunity to expand the range, the offering to customers. It gives customers easy access in and out of Ballito.
We are the best store in Ballito when it comes to service, I believe. The staff we have here are all on top form. What makes our store stand out from the rest in Ballito is our wide range of products. Very different from any other store. We get anything that you want. Apart from that, we've got a lovely coffee bar only at this store in the Mica Build that gives you the best coffee, best sami in Ballito. Plascon so far hasn't let me down no way. With the customer service, with the callbacks, with the customer relations after that, no problem at all. The favorite Plascon product is Velvet Glow. I've personally used it at home. It's silky smooth finish, that velvet texture, the fully wash and wear resistance, perfect. My DIY tip, if there's moisture in the wall, a lot of times we're not seeing it. Just to get a moisture meter, check your wall first. If there's moisture, let it dry out, check again. Once that's done, then we start prepping again. BBS Mica Build Ballito, let us show you how.
Handy heroes powered by Plascon. We've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Mica Tex, strong enough to endure anything.